Okay, so guys, quickly in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Bybit, okay? But in this case, we're gonna be using USDT as a case study, okay? But if you're gonna be transferring any other crypto, it's the same method and process. So just make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so you get to understand how you can do this transfer from Binance to Bybit easily without you making any mistake, okay? That sounds good? Let's get into the video. Let me show you. Let's go. So as you can see up here, we have 40 USDT or $40 here. So we're going to come down here, right, where it says wallet here. We're going to click on it. So if you check here, the value of the USDT we have here is 39.9 USDT. So what we want to do now is to transfer this USDT to Bybit. Okay, so we're going to click on this, on withdraw up here. Okay, when I click on withdraw up here, it's going to bring me to this interface here. Then I'm going to click on this button here that says withdraw. Okay, so here is going to show you the different kinds of crypto that you have on your account. Okay, remember I said we're going to be using USDT in this video, but the same process is applicable to any other coin that you want to transfer from Binance to Bybit. Okay, so let's click on this USDT up here. Then it's going to bring up these two options. You can see the first one, it says send via crypto network. Then the second one, it says send via email, phone or ID. Okay, now for you to use this second one, it's only when you want to send crypto to another Binance user. Okay, but because we are sending to Bybit, we're going to be using this first one that says send via crypto network. Okay, so let's click on it. Now when we click on it, it's going to bring us to this interface, right? This interface here, you are expected to put in your wallet address, okay, the USDT wallet address that you want to send the crypto to, which is on Bybit. So what we're going to do is this: we're going to go to Bybit right now and get our USDT TRC20 wallet address from Bybit. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and here I am on Bybit. Okay, so you can see here on Bybit, this is the USDT wallet address that we're going to be sending the crypto to from Binance. Okay, and the network we're going to be using is going to be TRC20 network. Okay, so let me copy it quickly. I'm going to click on it here. I've copied it. So now let's go back to Binance. Okay, so here on Binance, we're going to paste that wallet address, USDT wallet address we just copied from Bybit here. So we're going to paste it here. Okay, so after pasting it here, the next thing you're going to do is to choose the network you want to send the crypto through. Okay, so we're going to click here, down here, right, and here we're going to use Tron TRC20. Okay, remember the network address we copied from Bybit is TRC20, right? It's USDT under the network of TRC20. So here also we're going to choose TRC20. Now you have to make sure that the network corresponds with the one on Bybit so that you will not lose your coin, because if the network is different, then there's every possibility that you will not get your crypto. Okay, so here the minimum amount you can transfer is 10 USDT if you are using USDT. Okay, so you're going to put in the amount that you want to transfer here, but in this case I want to transfer all the total USDT I have in my Binance account, so I'm going to click on max. Okay, if you click on max, it's going to put in all the USDT that you have here. Okay, then if you scroll down here, you see the transaction fee that Binance is going to be charging you is 1 USDT. So if you check down here, you can see there's 1 USDT down here, and you can see I'm going to be getting 38.9 USDT because Binance is going to be taking just 1 USDT for the service of helping you to send your crypto from Binance to Bybit. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on withdraw button here. So when I click on withdraw button, it's going to bring you here just to highlight all the details to you once again, so that you're going to cross check it to see that if all the details you have put in here actually correspond with what you've copied from Bybit. So let's go to Bybit and check again. If you are not too sure, you go to the Bybit and check again to be sure that the wallet address here, okay, which is TWB and SIO, is actually correct. So let me go back to Bybit to confirm that. So here you can see it's actually correct, TWB, then SIO, right? And it's on TRC20 network. Okay, so here on Binance, since I've confirmed that the wallet address and the network is correct, I'm going to click on confirm here. Okay, so when I click on confirm, it's going to bring me to this interface where I'm going to be confirming the security apparatus, just to be sure that yes, I'm the one making this withdrawal from my account. Okay, so on this interface is going to give me the option to put in my authenticator code here. Then I'll be able to send the crypto. Now in your own case, it might depend the security stuff that you actually decide to use. Some persons actually use their email address, some persons use their passkey. Okay, so it all depends on what you want to do. But for me here, you can see I'm using my Google Authenticator code. So I'm going to go to my Google Authenticator now to copy the code, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, let me quickly do that. Okay, so after copying my Google Authenticator code, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so the transaction is going to go through now. Okay, so you can see it says withdrawal processing. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is this. You just hold on until I receive the crypto in my Bybit account, so that I'll be able to show you, in order for you to see exactly how the crypto arrived in my Bybit account. Okay,
a few minutes later,
let me quickly check here. Okay, it has arrived. Okay, so you can see it here. It has arrived. It has arrived here. Okay, let me go to the major. Okay, so you can see it here. The crypto has arrived, and if I click on the notification here, so you can see it here. So you can see it here, right? You can see the deposit here. This is it. This is the deposit I just made from Binance. Okay, so you can see this is the process of you sending your crypto from Binance to Bybit. Now remember, we use USDT, but if you are sending any other crypto, it's the same method. Okay, just follow the process step by step like I showed you in this video, and you'll be good to go. Okay, now if you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, please go ahead to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.